Hello, my dear children. Welcome back for another super quick revision session. I know your exams are just around the corner and things can get a little tense, right? But please don't worry, I'm here to make it all super simple for you.
Together, we're going to make sure you feel totally confident. And hey, if you find this helpful, do hit that subscribe button. It really helps. Okay, let's get started, shall we? So, to kick things off, let me ask you a little question. Have you ever thought about this? The sun is already up and shining in Arunachal Pradesh, while it's still dark in Gujarat, for almost 2 whole hours. And yet, our clocks, your watch, and my watch, they all show the exact same time. How is that possible? Well, stick with me, because today we are going to solve this amazing puzzle together. First things first, we need to know where our India is on the world map. So, let's begin with Section 1, India's place in the world. You see, our country is located entirely in the Northern Hemisphere. And look at our amazing position. We are right there in the south-central part of Asia, with the massive Indian Ocean just below us. This location is so strategic, it has always been a super important link between the West and the East. It's like we have the best seat in the entire theater.
And it's not just our location, Beta, it's our size. India is a vast country. We cover a massive 3.28 million square kilometers. It's a huge, huge number. Just think of all the different mountains, deserts, and forests packed into our beautiful country. In fact, that number makes us the 7th largest country in the whole world. The 7th. That's something to be really, really proud of, isn't it? We are a true giant on the world map.
Okay, now for the part that can sometimes be a little confusing. I'm talking about latitudes and longitudes. But don't you worry at all. We are going to make this super easy, like a simple game. Let's play the lat-long game. So, let's imagine we're drawing a big box around India. From the very bottom in the south to the top in the north, our mainland stretches from about 8 degrees north all the way up to 37 degrees north. And from the west to the east, it goes from 68 degrees east to 97 degrees east. See? Just a few numbers to remember. Now here's a very interesting fact. Even though the spread in degrees is almost the same, about 30 degrees both ways, the actual north to south distance is longer than the east to west distance. Why is that? Well, just think of a globe. The lines of longitude all come together at the top and bottom poles, so they get closer to each other as you move away from the equator. It's simple geometry. All right, ready to be detective? Let's move to Section 3 and finally solve that time puzzle I asked you about in the beginning. It's time to uncover the mystery.
So, because the Earth rotates, the sun hits Arunachal Pradesh first, and then almost 2 hours later, it reaches Gujarat. Now, can you imagine the chaos if every place had its own local time? A train leaving Gujarat at 7 a.m. would reach Arunachal Pradesh at a totally different 7 a.m. It would be a complete mess.
So how did we fix this problem? With this hero right here. This is the standard meridian of India. It's a line that runs at 82 degrees 30 minutes east. And as you can see, it passes almost right through the middle of our country. This is our official timekeeper. And that special line gives us our Indian Standard Time, or what we call IST. We simply take the time along this one single line and say, this is the time for the entire country. It keeps everything organized and simple. So remember, one nation, one time. Fantastic. Now that we know where we are and what time it is, let's zoom out a little bit. In Section 4, we'll quickly say hello to our neighbors and check out our magnificent coastline. So, let's meet the family. In the northwest, we have Pakistan and Afghanistan. To our north are the mighty China, Nepal, and Bhutan. And if you look to the east, we have Bangladesh and Myanmar. That's quite a big neighborhood, isn't it? But hold on, we're not done yet. We also have 2 beautiful island neighbors to our south, relaxing in the Indian Ocean, and they are Sri Lanka and the Maldives. It's very important to remember them too. And what about our amazing coastline? The coast of just our mainland is about 6,100 kilometers long. But once you add the coastlines of our islands, the Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep Islands, that total length jumps to over 7,500 kilometers. That is a lot of beautiful beaches. Okay, you have been such amazing students. So now, it's time for a very quick revision quiz to lock everything we've learned into our brains. Don't worry, these are very easy. It's just to make you feel super confident for your exam. Are you ready? Here is your first question. Which one of the following longitudes is the standard meridian for India? Is it A, B, C, or D? Take a second, think back to our time puzzle. And the correct answer is, of course, it's B, 82 degrees 30 minutes east. I knew you would get it. That's the magical line that gives us our IST. Brilliant.
All right, one last question for you. Which of these countries is larger in area than India? The options are A, China, B, Egypt, C, France, and D, Iran. Remember, we are the 7th largest, so which one is bigger than us?
Yes, you are absolutely right. The answer is A, China. China is one of the 6 countries that are bigger than India. Excellent work, everyone.
See? I told you this was going to be easy. Fantastic work, my dear children. You have revised this chapter so well. You are now absolutely prepared and all set to answer any question that comes from this topic.
And that's a wrap for today. Before you go, please drop a comment below and let me know which chapter you want me to cover next. I'm here to help you ace your exams. All the very best, study hard, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.